Hi, I'm Dr. David Dow, and we're here in our acupuncture room, and I want to talk to you today about how acupuncture can be used to help with weight loss. Now, there is a magic formula for weight loss, and what that is basically is exercise more and eat less. Now, let's say you've been already doing that, and you're exercising more, and you're not eating as much, but you're also still not losing weight. We got to look a little deeper, and we got to see what the heck is going on with that. So one of the things can happen is if you're under a lot of stress, that stress response, that what we call fight or flight system, can basically turn off your ability to lose weight, because your body will release a hormone, not just adrenaline, because adrenaline can make you feel nervous and anxious, and that's what people feel like when they're stressed, but also another one called cortisol gets released. And the problem with cortisol is it's going to cause you to gain fat. It causes what's called a pear-shaped distribution of fat, which is not good and really unhealthy and really bad for your organs. And that's weight that's gained just coming from stress. So when that sympathetic nervous system is getting activated, sometimes we need that, and we really need that adrenaline, and we need the cortisol for certain periods of time, but they should be really short. Like if a bear comes in the room, we got to get away from the bear. That should be a quick thing. That's as soon as we get away from the bear, it's over with and it's done. And then that adrenaline bucket can start to fill back up again. But if the adrenaline is getting released all the time, that's cortisol is going to be getting released all the time, and that might be where that weight gain is coming from. It's from that stress response. Now, the good news is that on the other side of the sympathetic nervous system is another part of the nervous system called the parasympathetic nervous system. And if we can stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, it's going to turn off the sympathetic nervous system. And that's how acupuncture can really help. So the strongest areas that relate to the parasympathetic nervous system are going to be at the base of the skull. And at the base of the skull is our whole sensory system: seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, sense of balance, coordination, which affects joint function and just everything. And the pituitary gland is up there, and it releases 17 different hormones in the body, including human growth hormone, which can make your muscles bigger and stronger. And having big muscles is actually, our muscle mass, or loss of muscle mass, is the #1 bioindicator of aging. So we want to maintain that muscle mass as we get older, because that's basically what means that we're still young, is when we have that. So the other area where the parasympathetics are strongest is not just the base of the skull, but down in the lower back. And so if you get injuries in one of those two areas, that can turn off those parasympathetics, and now you're only left with the sympathetic, and that part can be getting released all the time. So if you're also having low back pain, or you're having headaches or neck pain, or maybe you're having sensory problems with seeing, hearing, smelling, tasting, or problems with balance or coordination, that might be also why you're not able to lose weight, is because of that stress response, and that's something that we can definitely help you with. So I hope this helps you to kind of understand how acupuncture can help with weight loss. And if you've got any questions for us, we're here at our center, and our phone number is 608-233-3588. Celeste or I would be happy to talk with you. And yeah, if you're having those problems and you're not getting any solutions, give us a call, and we'd love to help you. Have a great day.